Here we are with another episode of FX analysis. We welcome you to probabilistic mindset trading. Guys, we give you the best forex education and the best technical analysis ever that you will find on YouTube or you'll find for free. Okay, so actually we are going to look at where the market is. That's the USDJPY, where the market is. What is the market doing currently, and which direction is the market moving towards to? Okay, so this is what we are going to look at. Yeah, so are we supposed to look for a selling trade or look for a buying trade? Okay, so this is very important to actually note. Okay, so this is what we are going to look at, yes, in this particular video. Okay, so what you can see right now is the weekly time frame. Okay, so we are on USDJPY, the weekly time frame here. Okay, so this is it, USDJPY. So we are looking at the weekly time frame, and as you see, guys, if you haven't watched our previous videos on how to draw the support and resistance levels, please kindly go back and check these videos on how to draw accurate support and resistance levels. Okay, and we also have video on how to draw trend lines. So whatever you see, the lines, whatever you see, we have the videos there, how to draw the trend lines, how to draw the support and resistance levels, and how to identify the higher highs, the higher lows, the lower highs and the lower lows. Okay, we have given all the techniques and everything in our other videos, so kindly go there and check the videos to know and also to follow us where we have reached, so that you won't be confused. Okay, so guys, as you see, we have our lines and everything were drawn here, so go and check our previous videos to follow it carefully. Okay, so what you can see right now is, by the help of these lines, we are going to use to check where the market is currently and where actually the market approaching to, and where do we think, or which direction do you think the market will be going. Okay, so you can see we have our trend line here, and with this trend line, yes, it's telling you that yes, this trending market is currently, we have a selling trend here, and it has actually passed that line. So someone will say, yes, the trend line has been passed and retested. Okay, but the buying trend hasn't ended yet. Okay, it hasn't ended yet. Why are we saying that it hasn't ended yet? Yes, truly, yes, this is the trend line. You can see it's hit it comes, and now it's passed and went to retest this trend line. And all this, we have a video that we proved why it was able to test it, and how we got this even trend line. So check our video and you're able to understand it very well. Okay, so in this case, you can see that yes, the trend line has been passed, all right, but the buying structure itself here, which means this buying trend here, hasn't ended yet. Okay, it hasn't ended yet. Why? Because the higher low here, the current higher low here, hasn't yet been broken. Okay, so it means that the market structure hasn't yet been broken. Okay, yes, so since the market structure hasn't yet been broken, then we cannot say that the buying here has ended. Buyers are still in the game. Yes, truly, we are on a selling trend here, as you see in the weekly time frame. Yes, this is a selling trend, but where the market is, you cannot say that the sellers has taken the market fully. Why? Because the market hasn't broken the market structure itself, the buying structure. Okay, yeah, so because this is the last higher low here, and unless this is broken, that's where we will see that now the market has fully been controlled by the sellers, or the sellers are in full control of the market. Okay, so what we see now is, yes, market has approached that line, the higher low, but market hasn't, the price hasn't reached past that one. So what we see is, yes, we are there with a selling candle here. So let's try to proceed to the daily time frame to get to know what the market is doing in the daily time frame. Since we don't put trades in the weekly, we actually put trades in the 4 hours. So proceed to. So you can see that, yes, in the daily, as we have a selling candle in the weekly time frame, yes, daily, yes, we have a straight engulfing candle in the daily time frame, which indicate that, yes, sellers are actually pushing the market down. After this correction move hitting the trend line, the daily trend line, you can see that, yes, the sellers push the market very low here, and you can see that a very long selling candle here, which is fully engulfed. So the buying candle has been engulfed. Okay, so you can see the buyers has been engulfed by the sellers. But currently, because it's a live market, you can see what is ongoing now. The price is actually buying now, and where the price is currently is at 132.247. Okay, that's where the price is currently at. Okay, so this is where we are now. So yes, we haven't gotten a clear indication. Why? Because the market structure hasn't yet been broken. Yes, we have a full engulfing candle here. That's selling engulfing candle here. Yes, so we actually cannot make a decision right now whether we have to buy in the daily or sell in the daily, because yes, it is on a selling trend here. Okay, but the market structure for the buyers hasn't yet been broken, so we cannot say anything can happen. Yes, it can push from here buying, and it can go up before it comes down. So since this one hasn't been broken, we cannot say that we are going for a sell. Okay, and we also cannot say that we are going for a buy based on the daily time frame currently, because we haven't gotten any other confluence here to support that. This, since the market structure hasn't yet been broken, then we will actually push in for a buy to a certain place. Okay, so let's move to the 4-hour time frame to see if we have anything there to support our claim here. Yes, what we can see right now is, yes, truly here too we had an engulfing candle here. It's not actually an engulfing, but the smart money was here in the 4 hours. Yes, but the daily was giving us a full engulfing candle. Here is smart because it's not the buyers who aren't engulfed actually. So you have to also get to know, because this wasn't fully engulfed by this. Okay, so this is a smart money. Yes, they were there to push the markets down. Okay, so yes, you can see that we have a selling candle here, and this selling candle and this buying candle. This is a harami pattern which has formed in the 4 hours on the higher low. Okay, the current higher low that we are looking at. So this is a harami. So if we say that we will even enter a buy trade unless the harami candlestick pattern has been broken. Okay, yes, unless price break that candlestick pattern here before we can even consider. But where the market is at, we are actually looking for a buy or a sell. So we cannot actually say that it is a sell now, because I will say that it is currently based on the weekly time frame, currently where the market is. Yes, anyone can come in to push the market. Okay, buyers can come in to push the market up, sellers can come in to push the market down. So since we have this is it. See, this is the mother candle and this is the baby candle. Okay, so that's a pregnant candlestick pattern. So you can see that unless you even say that yes, I'm buying in the 4 hours, unless this line has been breached. Okay, when the price breach this line, past this line, then we say that yes, the harami is well responded here. Therefore, you can enter this trade, and you will not be going that much far. Yes, if you even be going for a buy, yes, maybe you enter it somewhere here when it's breached, then you can end it somewhere here by pushing this a bit. Let's take here, we skim this number of pips, then we try to push this market to yes this level. Yes, we are getting 1:3, not a bad trade. Yes, it's good. Yes, so you can only put the trade when this harami candlestick pattern is breached. Okay, yeah, that's where we can actually come in to put this trade to see. So because the current trend is a selling trend, so when you are buying here, you also have to be little careful. Don't buy too much. Yes, reach some certain level, then come down. So you see that we approached our weekly support level, which has now turned to resistance level. So I'm actually looking at this red line. So if you don't know why we have this red line inside the zone, just kindly, and what even this gray represents, kindly go back to our previous videos and you will understand why we have this on our chart. Okay, so this is it. Even if we be going in for a buy, you will not buy for long, because whatever it is, yes, we have a resistance here. Okay, and we also have a daily trend line here, which is we have two confluences here now. So whenever we reach at that particular place, we are very careful, because anything can happen for the market to change direction, reverse and change direction. Okay, so if you don't want this way, you just stay out of the market. Yes, just stay out of the market and wait. If truly it will buy, wait to reach here. If it gives us any candlestick pattern to add to our confluence of the support and resistance level, the resistance level which is already there, then we can add it to it on the trend line. We can add it to it and now go in for a sell. Okay, so in this case, this will be the buying. Yes, in the case of a sell, then we will get something like this. Let's try to do that one as well. In case of a sell, if the market yes truly does this and come up here, okay, so we'll be looking at this area, okay, where we will actually be taking our sells. So this is it. Somewhere here we actually try to put our stop loss somewhere here. Okay, then we'll be shifting this to this particular level, the same higher low there. Yeah, so when the market reach there, yes, we are out of the trade, and we will now wait and see if the market pass that higher low again. Then for the first time, then it will actually be waiting for a correction move to enter the trade to go to the next support zone or support level. Okay, so guys, this is all we have for now for the USDJPY. So we have to exercise patience to get to know what the markets will be giving us. Then we can actually chip in to get some coins for ourselves. Okay, so that's it all for now. So if it is first time for watching our videos, we actually recommend you that you subscribe to the channel, like our video, share the videos. If you have any question or anything at all, just go to comment section, leave your comment, and we read and get back to you. Okay, and those that they have already subscribed, please we encourage you to share the videos, like the videos. Just click on notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a video. And one thing we also need from you is to, anytime you have anything, just go to comment section, leave your comment, and let us know. We'll get back to you. Okay, so guys, this is all for now. This is all what you can say about USDJPY. It's a size patience with what we just gave, and yes, one of these things may happen. Then we can try to calculate your risk, a good risk and reward ratio to enter this trade. Best of luck. Goodbye.